solve x square d square minus xd plus 1 into y equal to sine log x. So this is the differential equation with the variable coefficient, because the coefficient of d is x, d square coefficient is x square. So this is the differential equation with variable coefficient. This is also called Euler's equation or Cauchy equation also we can say. So to solve this type of differential equation, first you have to convert this into constant coefficient, then we can solve as usual. So this variable coefficient equation with the variable coefficient, we have to convert it into constant coefficient by putting x is equal to e power z implies z equal to log x. By putting this, xd is converted into d dash and x square d square is converted into d dash into d dash minus 1. When you multiply d dash inside, d dash square minus d dash, where d dash is equal to d by dz. You see, when you replacing this, x is converted into z. Okay, now substituting these two values in the given equation, x square d square. What is x square d square? D dash square minus d dash. And xd is d dash. Substituting these two values in the given equation. So x square d square, d dash square minus d dash, and minus xd is d dash. So d dash plus 1 into y is equal to sine of log x is z. So sine z. So now you simplify, d dash square minus 2d dash plus 1 into y equal to sine z. So now you see this is the differential equation with the constant coefficient, and then we can solve as usual. So to solve this equation, I am going to find out the auxiliary equation. So what is the auxiliary equation? M square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. To factorize this 1 can be written as minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. This is minus 2. So that it is m minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 1 and m equal to 1. Both are equal values. Then what is the complementary function? Complementary function is ax plus b, but instead of x we have to write z because we are converted into z. So instead of x we have to write z. So az plus b into e power m1mz. So that m is equal to 1. So that the complementary function is az plus b into e power z. So this is the complementary function. Next I want to find out the particular integral. Okay, next I am going to find out the particular integral. Pi is equal to 1 by d dash square minus 2d dash plus 1 into sine z, because this is the pi is equal to 1 by d dash square minus 2d dash plus 1 into sine z. Okay, so this is type 3 because sine and cos terms, so sine term here. So in type 3 we have to replace only for d square term, not for d. What is the coefficient of z here? 1. So that d dash square is replaced by minus a square, but minus a value is 1, so 1 square is 1. So d dash square is replaced by minus 1. So it is 1 by minus 1 minus 2d dash plus 1 into sine z. Okay, now you see minus 1 plus 1 cancel, so that 1 by minus 2d dash into sine z. It is very simple. So you take 1 by minus 2 outside, remaining 1 by d dash. 1 by d dash means integral. So integral of sine z into dz. So it is minus 1 by 2 into integration of sine z is minus cos z. So finally the particular integral is cos z by 2. So we found particular integral. The solution is y equal to cf plus pi. So y is equal to, what is cf? Az plus b into e power z plus particular integral cos z by 2. So this is the solution of the given differential equation, but answer must be in terms of x. So simply we can say where z equal to log x, already, because already we took z equal to log x. So just we mention z equal to log x. So the equation is in terms of x. So this is the solution of the given differential equation.